What do you feel about Antwerp?
Oh, it's beautiful actually. Like even what we're looking at right now, this looks really cool.
So how do you feel, man?
Oh, it's so crowded. Like Antwerp is beautiful. So cool. Like I love the architecture.
Yeah.
And
This camera is
বন্ধুরা, আজকে আমি ঠিক এই মুহূর্তে আছি বেলজিয়ামের আন্তর্পেন শহরে। আপনারা জানেন নেটোর হেডকোয়ার্টার এবং ইউরোপীয় ইউনিয়নের সদর দপ্তর বেলজিয়ামে অবস্থিত। আর এই আন্তর্পেন শহরটি বেলজিয়ামের সবচাইতে বড় শহর এবং পোর্ট সিটি। আন্তর্পেন শহরটিকে পৃথিবীর ডায়মন্ডের শহরও বলা হয়, কারণ
4 kilometer already
পুরো
walk.
পৃথিবীর প্রায় 90% ডায়মন্ড এই শহরেই প্রসেস করা হয়।
Man, see. People come here because club are closed. That's why people are here.
আমার সাথে আজকে আছে আমার বন্ধু গ্যাব্রিও, যে সুদূর অস্ট্রেলিয়া থেকে এসেছে এই আন্তর্পেন শহরটি উপভোগ করার জন্য। তো আজকে আমরা এই আন্তর্পেন শহরের মেইন সিটি সেন্টার এরিয়াটা আপনাদেরকে ঘুরে ঘুরে দেখাবো। তো চলুন আজকে আমরা বেলজিয়ামের আন্তর্পেন শহরটা উপভোগ করি।
yeah. Is it working?
Yeah, it's working, you know? So
Yeah.
what do you feel about Antwerp?
Oh, it's beautiful actually. Like I've been staying in this town called Ostend for the past 3 weeks, and I've had very dull experience there. There's not much to do apart from the beach, and so coming to Antwerp, it's so beautiful. Like I didn't expect that it's actually going to look like this. So I'm glad I'm here.
So it's like more charming than the Ostend,
it's
right?
yeah, it's so beautiful here. Actually, reminds me of Vienna. Even what we're looking at right now, this looks really cool.
Okay, it's called actually like groen plants. So we go now with the groen plants.
This is cool. Yeah, it's so multicultural. If I knew Antwerp was here, I would be coming to Antwerp a lot more. I would come here during the day or something.
Yeah. Man, don't drop the.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, why do you put this responsibility on me? That's beautiful. It's
Yeah, we can take picture from there.
Oh, watch out.
Man, this will be a good picture. What do you say? Yeah, man, I'm doing video, huh?
Oh.
Okay, no problem. You are on the video. So let's go. So now we are going to groen plants. And man, we are going to groen plants, and this is the most beautiful view in the Antwerp.
All right.
Really.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. So how do you feel, man?
Oh, it's so crowded. I'm like shocked.
Yeah, so
So I love the energy. It's nice.
you see, the people are drinking, dancing. You know, during the football match, man, during the football match, like it's so much crowded, and the people are like dancing, singing, and you know, in the every shop, in the every corner of the shop, there is a TV.
Yeah.
They're watching football match.
When was this?
Yeah, you know, tomorrow they have the match of Belgium and Portugal.
Yeah, I think that's my friend's boyfriend. Cause like, oh sorry, I'm just gonna take a photo. I'll be like, I think I saw your boyfriend. They're like twins.
Oh, You see, man? Man, this is the green plants, you know?
This is nice.
And this is really awesome, you know? Man, if you come this place, you'll feel that COVID doesn't exist. You see?
This is really tall. Can you take a photo of me on my phone? Oh, when you're finished.
Man, your phone is old, man.
I just want one for my phone. Maybe when we walk there or something.
Man, hold on. Man, what do you think?
Oh my god, it's so lively. It's crazy. It's like pre-COVID life. I don't know, one or the other. But it's such a beautiful city. It's very interesting.
You know, this place is famous for clubs.
Yeah.
So many clubs there, and you see, the people are crazy. Right? You see? Wow. So it's not like there is. It feels like there is no COVID. See?
I guess vaccination's rolling out in Belgium, so.
Man, come this way. Yeah, we can also go by this way. Yeah, like everything is okay. Because it's weekend, man. That's why.
It is a weekend.
So you have come in a good day.
Yeah, no,
You know,
right.
in a good weather. You know,
yeah.
yesterday it was raining.
Oh,
Yeah, really. And the people are so much less
Yeah,
outside.
yeah.
So today is so many people.
It's a beautiful weather.
Yeah, the weather is beautiful and also in the weekend. So it's nice.
Yes. Yes.
You know, we will go to the main.
Oh, that wasn't the main one.
No, main. The place, the name is main.
Oh man. Oh, that,
Yeah,
that
man.
one.
Yeah. This is the Groenplaats,
Uh-huh.
and this is the famous for the bars and the restaurants, drinks. But you know the Juit you see before, the Juit. There is no no bar or
Yeah.
the club, but this place is for bar and club, and like for chill place. You know, you see
Yeah,
chill,
yeah.
and
Alright.
this place is like little calm.
Let's see. Yeah, this is a wild side.
Yeah, this is wild side. Yeah, and that way is calm and cool. Like if you don't like so much noise,
Yeah.
then this place is good. So man, what's your opinion? Tell.
This is very quiet here. It's like all of a sudden, like that was very wild there, and then now it's like so quiet. But no, this is like Antwerp is beautiful. So cool. Like I love the architecture.
Yeah, I think it is so nice.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's a very grand city. I don't know how many times I've said that already, but I think it is very stunning.
So this is like actually the shopping street, and it's called the Maze. And you will find all of the brands here,
Yeah.
all of the brands. And the people usually come here for shopping.
Yeah, it's nice. It's like the
See?
main shopping street.
Yeah. It's so nice. Like you know now the less people because it's already
Yeah,
closed everything.
yeah.
But in in the opening hours, you can't even walk. Really, it's so many people. I think you come here when you go to
I
my.
think so. I think so. I do recall like walking through a street and it was like packed with people. But
Okay.
I think it was this one. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's.
Yeah.
I,
This is like in Lisbon up
in
the
the
hill.
Lisbon, yeah,
Yeah. But it's very small compared to this. This is a whole avenue.
it's all
Yeah.
so many. The Lisbon in Lisbon is small,
Small, yeah.
but here is it's big. So you know now is the time is like it's everything closed. Now the time is people are enjoying
Yeah, everyone going there.
Yeah, the people
Yeah.
are enjoying the food and
Yeah.
in the club like this.
I think my friend manages this one. I think he manages Bershka's.
Bershka.
I think. I'm gonna ask him if this is this.
ও পিটি দূরে বলছে যে তোকে তো ভিডিও করবো তোর ভালো করে গান গা আর গায় ওকে চলো 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 হাঁটতাছি তো আমরা আমার থেকে যাও যা কিরে তুমি ওই যে গান যে গাইলো আর যে কি পরিমাণ ইনকাম চিন্তা করা যায় উইকেন্ডে এখানে দিয়ে হাঁটাই যায় না এত মানুষ হয় মুই তো পাবলিক উইকেন্ডে এই যে ক্রুইতবাত আর সব জায়গায় কিন্তু ঈগল পাখিটারা খুব ইউজ করে এই যে একটা ঈগল পাখি এই যে যাবো আমরা